Right, here we are, day 2, May 10th. Got the semi out, and looks like they've started on the retaining wall. Not a whole bunch to report, but let's take a look at it. Hey guys, welcome back and welcome to our new viewers. So this is our new cabin build project, week number 1. But if you missed day number 1, where we buried this semi and trailer full with 20 tons of stone, I'll put a link to those first 2 videos in the description because that's how we kicked it off. So now let's get into week number 1 and see how things are going. Thanks a lot. Oh man, they already got the base down and compacted, or at least part of it. Wow. Way bigger than I thought. Way bigger. Look at that, somebody left a tack over here. I bet you that was Ryan. Yeah, he was a good guy, the guy that got stuck. No fault of his, he didn't realize, and I didn't realize just how soft the stump holes were. All right, at least we're moving. So this looks like just the packing powder, no rock in it. I think that's what they're putting down in the base.
It looks like they're scraping off some of the dirt on top. Make that flattened area for the foundation. Man, that stuff's wet yet though. Might look dry on top, but you go down 1 inch and it's all sticky already. Looks like they're working on the outside edge of the blocks. Let me take a look from another angle. Well, that's pretty smart, working in the shade. Yeah. It's 91 right now. 91? Yeah, huh? Yeah. Wow, looking good already.
Yeah, thank you.
That's a nice little fan you got there. Boy. I better not let Joe see that, or he's probably going to want one. He's already got the batteries for it.
Oh yeah, that could work when I'm on the beach, that little fan right there. So just a little background on this retaining wall. Our original plan was to build a deck. This is a pretty steep hillside and we're going to have a pond down there. So instead of the deck, our builder Isaiah came up with this idea for a retaining wall. And that way we could have a concrete patio instead of the wood deck. And he said the price was pretty much a wash. So it was actually his idea to build this retaining wall, which I'm very glad. I mean, because this is going to be way cooler than just, a stick-built deck on the back of the house. So a good call so far. Very happy. All right, here we are on May 12th. You can see that teepee over there. That's their shade cover for the guys working. 90s and super humid today. I'm thinking the wall's still got to come up higher just from eyeballing it. But this is where they're at so far. Interesting to see how you build a retaining wall, mostly step by step. We go around the back side. Well, my pond spot's drying up. Now I just need some extra time to start digging, but I don't know when that's gonna happen. Okay, drain tile, that's a good thing. Oh, that looks pretty. That looks pretty. And we got a drain tile exit down here. See if I can get a little better view without the sun there. Man, this is going to be one massive retaining wall. Wow. I'm going to say down there, well, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks high, so it's probably 5 foot high right now. Looks like it's still got to come up though. I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, judging by how much block is left, it needs a few more layers yet. Nice. All right, we'll check back in tomorrow. So they've also been skimming dirt here. So this is all skimmed. You can see on both sides they got piles of dirt because they can't really dig too deep because this is all downhill. So that house has to come back up, just like our house, because we're on a downhill just like that. So, I mean, unless, yeah, I don't know, we'll see. We'll see when the retaining wall is done. It'll be fun to watch, that's for sure. A little tight getting in there. Man, that's a long way up. Boy, it is bone dry right now. I haven't been here for a couple of days, so I'm curious to see what it looks like down there. Boy, she is definitely shaping up here. And yeah, finally, this stuff is all dry until this weekend, tomorrow.
when it's going to rain. But it looks like they got the blocks all up for the retaining wall. That is quite the retaining wall, Isaiah. Whew. Looks great. It'll be a nice elevation when we get the pond dug over here. Be sitting back here on the back porch, looking out in the woods, and maybe doing a little fishing. Oh, the kitty's got some competition here. Got a nice little drainage pipe with the sleeve that runs all the way along it. And a drain along the backside. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 high over here. They're 8 inches in height. So a little over 5 feet. It is pretty though.
Oh man, my GoPro might take a dive.